The Jamaican and Kenyan heads of government have signed a deal to collaborate in farming. The partnership, they feel, could go some way in addressing the food security concerns that have come up as a result of the drought gripping Jamaica. But amidst those high-level plans is a call from Prime Minister Andrew Holness for Jamaican farmers to start using modern farming techniques to guard against future droughts. Here's TVJ's DWAYNE Anderson with that report.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his guest, Kenyan President UHURU KENYATTA, seen here observing some of Jamaica's finest cattle at the Dembe Agriculture Show in Clarendon. But these fat, healthy animals rarely betray the conditions the animals' owners and many other farmers across Jamaica have been going through due to the drought. Recognizing the farmers' troubles, the two government leaders inked a deal for agricultural cooperation between the two countries. This means Jamaica and Kenya will share ideas on how to, among other things, grow animals and plants in a more climate-resilient way.
Particularly in the use of technologies in crop production and livestock management, while at the same time addressing the important issue of the impact that climate change has on our food security. We would be more than keen to partner together to see how we can take some of your breeds and probably how you can look at some of our breeds in order to develop livestock that is properly attuned to our respective climates.
Now, as it relates to a local response to the struggles of farmers, Prime Minister Andrew Holness recommitted the government's position to continue trucking water to affected communities. But he feels that farmers have a big role to play in solving the water shortage they face. Their job, he said, is to adapt.
This is a problem that requires the integration of science and technology into our daily practices in order for us to continue to increase our agricultural output. So, Mr. President, it is important that the JAS becomes an advocate for the use of drip irrigation technology, for the use of mulching, to develop more creative ways of storing and capturing rainwater.
The three-day Dembe Agricultural Show observed its 67th staging this year. The Kenyan president, during his visit to the Agri-Show, also extended an invitation to the Jamaica Agriculture Society, JAS, for some of its members to attend the Nairobi Agriculture Fair later this month to create linkages with the Agricultural Society of Kenya. DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.